In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recent activity on Trello in 2025. If you're someone who frequently uses Trello to manage projects and tasks, being able to check on the recent activity can be really helpful to track progress and collaboration within your team. So let's dive right in and go through the steps together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Trello's website. Open up your web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar, then press enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Trello homepage. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the page for the login button and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll have the option to sign in using either your email address or your Google account. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you and enter your credentials to proceed. After a successful login, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, look for the boards option at the top of the page. Click on it to head over to the section where all your boards are displayed. Here, you'll want to navigate to your workspaces section. This area provides a comprehensive list of all your Trello boards organized within your assigned workspaces. Locate the board from which you wish to view recent activity. Click on the board you want and it will take you directly to it. Now that you're within your board, look for the three-dot icon often found in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking on this icon will open a menu containing several options relevant to your board management. In this menu, you'll find the activity option. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, the screen will refresh to reveal a detailed list of recent activities that have taken place within your board. You'll be able to see all the changes, additions, comments, and movements made by you and your team members. If you specifically want to see comments made on items across your board, you should also look within this activity feed. There will be a comments option that's often highlighted for easy spotting. Clicking on comments will filter the activities to show only the conversations and feedback exchanged by you and your team members. There you have it, your complete guide to viewing recent activity on Trello. By following these steps, you can always stay on top of all developments across your projects and ensure smooth and efficient project management. Remember, knowing who did what and when is crucial for maintaining transparency and collaboration. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this guide helps in optimizing your Trello experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.